Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. So my friend, have you ever wondered why do people speak English so fluently? Is it because they are more intelligent people? But I think no. Is it because they studied in an English medium school? But I think not always. So what is the truth? So the truth is fluent English speakers have a good habits. So today I will share 5 habits that can improve your English if you follow them every day. So let's get started. So first habit, they speak every day. Fluent speakers do not wait for the perfect time. Remember, they speak every single day. Even if they if it is only 10 minutes or 5 minutes, they talk to themselves. They describe their day, they describe their surrounding. So they practice in front of mirrors, in front of camera. So remember, speaking is a skill. The more you speak, the better you become. Habit number 2, they think in English. Most beginners think in their native language and then translate this into English. So this slow them down. This process is very slow. So fluent English speakers think directly in English. How? I will give you an example. Instead of thinking, मुझे पानी चाहिए, just they think, I want to drink water. I want to drink water. I need some water. Start with a simple thought. Okay, your brain will slowly get used to think in English. Okay. Habit number 3, they listen every day. Fluent English speakers actually they listen to English every day. They watch YouTube video, short video, they listen to podcast, they hear English conversations. Okay, but here is the secret. I will tell you the secret. They do not just listen. They pay attention to pronunciation, expression, and sentence pattern. That is most important. Listening helps you speaking naturally. Habit number 4, they do not fear mistake. This is one of the best habit. Fluent English speakers are not afraid of making mistake. They know the mistakes are the part of learning. Imagine a child learning to walk. The child falls many times, but one day the child walks confidently. So learning English is the same. Don't fear mistake. Learn from that mistake. Habit number 5, they stay consistent. This is the most important habit. Fluent speakers do not study English only when they feel motivated. No, they practice every single day. Even 50-20 minutes is enough. Remember, this sentence, small daily practice create a big success. This is a motivation sentence. Okay, so consistency always beats instant intensity. Okay, so fine. So if you want to become a fluent English, then don't focus only on grammar. Focus on your daily habit from today. Then I promise to yourself that you will speak English every day. I will You will think in English, you will listen to English, you will not fear mistakes. You will stay consistent. So if you follow these 5 habits for next 30 days, then you will surprised. You will see the result, your improvement. So remember, fluency is not just a talent. Fluency is a daily habit. So if you really want to become fluent in English, then follow these 5 habits and speak English every day. If you don't have time, if you are traveling, then just speak with yourself for 5 minutes. Just think in English and speak in mind. That will also help you to be a fluent in English. Because when your mind will train how to think in English, how you can describe the things surrounded by you, that day your speaking journey will start and your confidence will be boosted and you will enjoy speaking. So if you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also share this video to your friend circle. So take care and keep practice every day.